I'm Eric Carter with Blue Frog Plumbing and Drain of San Antonio. How do I know if my water or sewage line is blocked? Some common signs that you have blocked water or sewer lines are odd odors, recurring clogs, sewage backup, wet patches in the yard, and decreased water pressure. A common misconception is that plumbing issues are extremely costly and damaging to your property. With advanced technology and plumbing techniques, we are now able to diagnose and repair issues with less invasion, therefore cutting cost. Leave it to the professionals at Blue Frog Plumbing and Drain to take care of all of your needs.